In this video I'm going to show you how to read chord diagrams. As you know by now, the guitar has 6 strings. On the tabs we had 6 lines with numbers on it. But now we have 6 strings, the first 4 frets and the nut of the guitar. And above this chord diagram there's a chord symbol. First I will teach you how to play the most easiest chord in the world, the E minor chord. You'll have to pick the 3 highest open strings at the same time. The 0 or the O at the nut means you have to pick the open string in this chord. The X means you don't play the string. Pick the string with your fingers or strum it with your thumb or strum it with a plectrum. And to use a plectrum you need to bow your finger a little bit and place it so it's an extension of your nail, and place your thumb on it. So you hold it like this. And make sure you don't bow your wrist but straighten it. So not like this or this, straighten it. So this was your first chord, the E minor chord. And now we're going to play your second chord. And therefore you have to add a finger. We're also going to play the highest 3 strings. But we're going to place our index finger or another finger on the 3rd fret of the thin E string. And then we're strumming the G, the B and the E together. As you can see in the chord diagram, the O at the thin E string is gone. And therefore there's a block on the 3rd fret of the thin E string. And the chord symbol is a G. So this is a G chord. These chords are easier than you will find on the internet. But with these chords you can play a lot of songs. Do you want to learn more chords like this and play real songs fast? Buy the basic module for only €30 at gijsmusicacademy.com. Thanks for watching this video and your support by liking this video or leaving a comment. And I hope to see you on gijsmusicacademy.com or in my next YouTube video.